32 by 32s going up. I got my bottom row cut from over here to over there. This one I might have to adjust it a little bit, cut it down, but otherwise these three are definitely good to go. Big tile, I'm going to use a 1/2 inch trowel. I got the wall flat, so that should be sufficient. Once I set them, I got my tamper here to tamp them in place, get the coverage I need, and that's it. Laser going around, be cut to the ceiling, this size piece. Got to cut around the niche that was already built, so how to keep it where it's at. So that's that, one tile at a time. So that boy's gonna come together. There you go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I'll be doing a video here to show you the install of this 32 by 32 inch rectified porcelain tile. I did this job back in early 2022. So I have a lot of footage from this job. It's a curbless shower and whatnot, and then I got the wall tile going around two of the walls of the bathroom. So anytime you work with a tile this size, you really want to have the walls as flat as you absolutely can. If you look at the wall there where the green laser is, you see the gray material on both walls. That's a screed material to get everything nice and flat, and the other wall I used thin set, that's what I had at the time, but ideally you want to use this screed material as a proof for wet area, and it's going to bond to the substrate. So got that nice and flat the day before. Any inconsistencies here and there, I just fill it in with thin set as I go, but got the wall flat. I basically like to key the wall with the flat side of the trowel, and then I notch the back of the tile and set it right in place. So that's going to be this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Have any questions at all about installing this size tile, you know, things like that, how do you cut it, let me know. But it's pretty simple. This is grid pattern tile, cutting the bottom row and then cutting up to the ceiling there and cutting around the niche. So take some time to install a large tile for sure, but it really looks nice with less grout on the wall. So there you go. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. That my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you